Hello everyone. Today we discuss the electrochemistry related concept. So I am from Gajara International School, Katargam for CBSE section. My topic is their electrochemistry, basically 12th science topic. So first we saw that the electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? Electrochemistry meaning is that chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So it is a cell type technique. So whatever you have performed in batteries, car batteries, so it is basically cell in which the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So chemical energy mainly is converted into electrical energy. What is chemical energy? Chemical has anode and cathode is there. What is anode? So anode is in which the oxidized substance is there. What is oxidized? Suppose metal is there. One metal oxidized. What is meaning of oxidized? And one metal is there which is reduced. What is oxidized and what is reduced? So common phenomena is there, oxidized substance in which the electron are losing. The electrons are loose. And reduced is there, the electrons are accept. Okay, so in oxidized substance, the electrons are loose, and reduced substance, the electrons are accept. So oxidized substance which is represented in cell manner is a anodic plate, is represented by in anodic plate or anodic metals, and reduced substance is there is called as cathodic plate, is called as cathodic plate. So in chemistry language, the electron which is low is called as anodic plate, and the electron which is are gain accept is called as cathodic plate. So here we discuss the cell type. One is a cell. The Daniel scientist is there, is prove that the electrochemical cell in which the electrical energy is converted into chemical and energies. It is a reciprocal. Electrolytic cells and chemical cells. The difference is there. In electrolytic cell, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. What is electrolytic cell? The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. This is a basic definition. The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. It is called as electrolytic cell, which is generate potential, which is measured by the instrument voltmeter, and potential is represented by capital E cell. So what is E cell? E cell, it is meaning there potential. Some amount of the potential is there, and how to find the potential? It is measured by the instrument voltmeter. So there is a basic phenomena for electrolytic cell. What is electrolytic cell? The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So is basic electrolytic cell. So in Daniel scientist, he proved that some amount of the anodic plate is there, and some amount of their cathodic plate is there. So it is a Daniel cell or voltaic cell. So we represent the cell, it is called as Daniel cell or volt cell. Okay, so yes, it is a Daniel cell. Okay, so these are the Daniel cell. What is Daniel cell? In which the one plate is there and another plate is there in which one is anodic plate, one is anodic plate, and other is cathodic plate. In anode, the electrons are loose, and in cathode, the electrons are gain. So here we use copper metal. Here is it is copper metals, and here is zinc metal. So zinc metal is oxidized and copper metal is reduced. How can we find the zinc is oxidized and copper is reduced? How can we find? So first we discuss this two cell. What is two cell? This is a zinc metals and this is a copper metals. So previously we discussed that the oxidizing and reducing agent is what is there in table. So we find that the zinc is oxidized and copper is reduced. So zinc metal get oxidized, copper metal get reduced. How can we represent in equation form? So first, zinc metal is oxidized. Zinc metal is oxidized. So the electron are lost. So electron are lost is representing which gives right side handed arrows. So zinc metal get oxidized into zinc plus 2 electron. Here is a plus 2 electron. So zinc is converted into zinc plus 2. Zinc metal is get converted into zinc plus 2. These ions are formed. So here see that these are the zinc metal. When it is get oxidized, the zinc ions is formed. But here we used some electrolyte solution, or it is called as electrolytic solution. What is electrolytic solution? Electrolytic solution is there in which the ion are released. So zinc metal, and here is a electrolyte solution is zinc sulfate. Same here is a copper metal, and which is dipped in a electrolytic solution copper sulfate. Electrolytic solution is copper sulfate, and here is a zinc sulfate. So zinc metal is get oxidized into zinc plus 2, which is anodic plate reaction, and it is also called as a anode reaction. And here copper metal get reduced, it is called as cathodic reaction. It is called as cathodic reaction. So here electrons are lost. See that here in anodic plate the electrons are lost, which is get accepted by cathodic plate. So here copper plus 2 ion get accept the 2 electron and form copper metal. So here see that zinc metal is a solid plate and it is formed ion. It is called as aqueous. Here copper metals get formed. It is called solid, and first it is aqueous form because it is in ionic form. So what is the difference in anode and cathode? Anode is get converted into ion, and cathode is get converted to form ion into metals. So here we see that the both plate, zinc plate and copper plate. So zinc and copper, both plate are connected in a voltmeters, or some amount of the wire is there. So first here both are connected by a batteries type structure. So zinc and copper both are connected. Here is a, suppose anode get electron is lost, it is represented by plus charge and it is minus. So here anodic plate is connected to the positive cables and cathodic plate is get converted into negative cable. So here see that the chemical, here zinc metal is converted into zinc ions and copper ions get converted into copper. So finally these two are half cell reaction. It is half cell reaction, two half cell reaction. It is two half cell reaction. How can we find total reaction? So we add these two half reaction to form a total reaction. So total reaction is there. Here 2 electron is cancelled. So total reaction is zinc plus copper plus 2 ions, which gives zinc plus 2 plus copper metal. Okay, so zinc get oxidized into zinc plus 2 and copper ion get converted into copper. So here we see that both oxidized and reduced, both metals are there. So it is a redox reaction. So this type of reaction is called as redox reaction. So here batteries is there connected is this. So it produces some amount of voltage. Suppose 1.1 volt. Here E cell, matlab potential is there. 1.1 volt is produced potential. So is basically a chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, which is measured in potentiometers or voltmeters. And here is a basic reaction of anodic and cathodic reaction. So it is a Daniell cell, or it is also called as a voltaic cell. So anodic plate is a oxidizing agent and cathodic plate it is a reducing agent. So it reduced other metal and oxidizing agent in which this oxidize other metal and reduce their metal. Okay, so E cell is equal to, how can we find the potential? Here you see that the 1.1 volt, here is a digital instrument for voltmeter to find potential, but we can find theoretically. How can we find theoretically potential? So subtract the reducing agent in means E cathode minus E anode. What is E cathode and what is E anode? E cathode is a potential for reducing agent, here copper. So copper metal is a reducing agent. Their potential is some amount, is suppose 0.34. And anode, here what is anode? Anode is a zinc metal. So zinc metal get oxidized. So some amount of the potential is suppose here 0.76 volt. These two values which is given in the table of the concept of electrical potential, in which these two values are identified. Okay. So first plus and this minus. So plus positive values and here is a negative value. So reducing agent is there. The higher the value of positive charge, it is reduced, and the lower the value of positive charge, it means that there is oxidized. So it is represent is anodic plate, and higher value is representing cathodic plate, means copper metal. So here we solve that 0.34 minus plus, so 0.34 plus 0.76. Okay. So finally total answer is there, suppose 1.1 volt something is there. Okay. So it is E cell which is measured by theoretical portion, which is actually equal to the digital instrument which is taken by the voltmeter, and it is theoretical value. So both are same. Here both values are same. Theoretical values and digital instrument or voltmeter is taken potential for this cell. Both values are same. So in basic section is there, how can we find potential of any cell? So this is a concept of the Daniell cell or voltaic cell. Any metals we take, and suppose here we take zinc metal and here we take copper metal. Suppose I would like to take copper in place of silver, and zinc metal is there. So silver metal is a higher reduction potential, so it gets reduced, and zinc is a oxidized. So we find the potential of different type of the half cell reaction, and we conclude that the total overall reaction is there. It means that partial half cell reaction and another partial half cell reaction, then add two half cell reaction and to find total reaction to get potential of that cell. Okay. So thank you all of you.